In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GA4-based location report in Looker Studio, perfect for visualizing user distribution by geography like country or city. Let's dive in, step by step, to make sure you get the most out of your geographic data insights. First, we begin by connecting your GA4 property to Looker Studio. Head over to Looker Studio and start by clicking on Create, then Report. This will open up a new report for you to work in. From there, you'll see a list of connectors. What you're looking for is the Google Analytics option. Select that and then choose your GA4 property from the list. Once you have that selected, you want to click Add and then Add to Report to effectively import your data source into your new report. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for the insights you're about to uncover. Now that your data is connected, it's time to add a GeoMap chart. In your report interface, select Add a Chart and go for GeoChart. If you're interested in a more interactive experience, you might opt for Google Maps instead. Both options are great, so choose what suits your needs best. Once added, navigate to the Setup pane. Here's where things get exciting. Set your dimension to a location-based field. This could be something like country, city, or region, depending on what you want to analyze and what your GA4 connector fields are offering. Once your dimension is set, add some metrics to visualize. These could include users, sessions, or new users, among others. Your choices here will directly impact what kind of insights you'll be able to draw from the map. With your map and data set up, it's time to make it look appealing and informative with some customization. Switch over to the Style tab, where the magic really happens. You'll find options like color scales or even a heat map style to emphasize intensity in certain areas. This is fantastic for visually conveying where your users are most concentrated. You can also choose a map theme. Maybe you prefer a light theme, something darker, or a terrain style for a more detailed look. Think about how you want your data to be received. Would you want to emphasize a specific region? Adjust the zoom level or select a default region focus to bring attention right where you need it. All these visual adjustments not only enhance the aesthetic appeal, but also help make your geographic insights more intuitive and engaging for whoever is viewing them. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a location report in Looker Studio using GA4 data. Whether you're using this to monitor global reach or honing in on specific cities, you now have a powerful tool to visualize and analyze user distribution across different geographical locations.